Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off always on display function in Samsung Galaxy S22. What does it do? When we have our screen locked, when we tap it, for example, we have our timer here and our battery right here. How to disable this function so it won't show anything, either by a tapping or we can always set up that the clock is permanent, etc. But how to turn off this function permanently? So we need to go to settings, lock screen, and always on display. So we now have tap to show. So as you have seen, when I tap the screen, we have our clock visible. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this little option and let's see. No more clocks visible. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.